that's okay. I'll show you the top anyway. All right, that's good. That's good. All right, so I've got my box here. Now, when I want to do wheels, all right, there's the side of the wheel that happens here, and this is the front of the wheel. All right. Now, the side of the wheel is going to be what you'd expect. Okay. I'm just going to fill this with a circle, with an oval. All right. Boom. This is going to be the side of the wheel. Now, where this bottom circle happens, I'm going to draw a parallel line out. I could probably be using my ruler right now. All right. And then I'm going to mimic this line here over here. You could probably continue this over just like that. Now, these wheels usually have a little gap in between them, and then another side to the wheel. Shade this in. Give it a little, this is how they put it together, a little hole. Okay, and you've got your wheels. All right, so I'm doing this just way smaller. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this over. And you're not gonna see a lot of it, but that's okay. Boom. Now it looks like I've got little tiny wheels, and they are 100% in perspective. Now I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to see that back wheel, and there's not a chance. Okay, the back wheel's happening somewhere over here, underneath the luggage, which is great. Then you don't have to draw it, okay? The last thing I'm gonna show you is how how to put in that handle, okay? And so the handle is gonna happen right about here, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little square in perspective, of course. Right, and this will be where our handle fits. Okay, got the sideline there. Make sure everything lines up really nice. This is looking like a pretty good drawing. I don't want to mess it up now. All right, let's connect those lines with my orthogonal line. Boom. So this is where those two little rods are going to shoot out from. All right, so I'm going to do that. Make sure everything's nice and parallel. Let's start here. Come straight up. And everything has a width, so it will never just be one line. It's definitely going to be more. Got to have that second line there. And I'm just going to round off the bottom so everyone can see that it's a tube. Okay, all you need to show is a round out that bottom part, and it will look like a tube. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Make sure everything's parallel. Round that out. Erasing as I go. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. Then I'm going to put the top of my little handle bit. Again, we're going to start off with, you guessed it, a square. Because you can make anything out of a square. Boom. All right, erase out that middle. just a little bit. And normally these are rounded to better fit in your hand. So instead of this top part being just a straight line, what I'm going to do, let's get these sidelines, I'm just going to round this up. All right, there you have it. This is the line work. I could obviously put a lot more time into adding value, which you will need to do eventually, right? But this is essentially how you're going to get your square, your simple box, rounded and looking like some luggage, okay? Just redoing some of these lines. All right. And there you go. And you can do, I did this, okay? But last night I did some other different examples, a bit more detail, in the exact same way. So here's a couple of the other drawings that I've done. Got a suitcase that's open, gave it a little bit of texture. Suitcase on the bottom so you can see the wheels a bit more. Again, all those little tricks that I've done, I just showed you, right? All you need to make sure is when you curve a line, that the back line is also parallel, okay? Everything just needs to be parallel.